Welcome to our Back from Break and Ready for Success webinar, where we'll be hearing from different counselors on what they focus on when they come back from their break to ensure the success of not only themselves, but their communities.
I'm Thomas Waterfall, the University Counselor at K International School, Tokyo. We've been one of the schools that started using direct apply, especially for the UCAS applications from the first implementation. And it's been really helpful for us.
Maxim here. So I work in Greenwood High International School, which is in Bangalore. What I learned over a period of time was that Cialfo is an excellent tool, an entire letter of recommendations on Cdocs. And I think it's really beneficial to have this process entirely working on Cialfo. And I think, therefore, once we actually opened up direct apply in our school and we saw satisfaction and satisfaction from both students and parents.
For our final speaker, I'm really excited about him as well. I'm excited about all our speakers, but John will be coming with a little bit of a different perspective.
I'm able to see from across all of our schools, we have what's called a district data management account. So I can actually see, for example, in those schools, the number of students that applied, the enrollment, and that's just a snapshot. It's a great tool for me because very, very simply, I can generate all different kinds of reports and see different things and use it to achieve what I want to achieve.
Thank you again, Thomas, Maxim, John, and Rohan. I think this is a really great start to the new year.